So guys, we're here. Mag-unboxing tayo ng gift because I'm 40. So, kailangan natin mag-unboxing kasi alam mo na, para sa ating mga guests of honors, of course, sa ating birthday party here sa Saudi Arabia. So, mag-unboxing tayo for today's video. And, let's see guys, see you! So guys, for today's video ay mag-unboxing tayo ng ating gifts for 40th birthday actually here in Saudi Arabia, of course. So first, unahan natin yung thank you to Joe, of course, for this footlocker. And thank you so much for coming also. Talagang amazing. Is Adidas na sapatos. So, thank you, Joe, for this for gifts na binigay mo sa akin. Salamat sa pagpunta. And of course, Tommy Hilfiger for Ate Shea. Thank you so much sa fabulous na gift sa akin, Tommy Hilfiger. Okay, buksan natin. Amazing. Talagang, soga. Oh my God. Isa Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. Yes, amazing. Thank you so much, Madam Chelo, sa pag-gift nitong Tommy Hilfiger. And of course, next is from Thailand. Okay? From Thailand, of course, si Beshi Migi ang nagbigay nito kasi sinabi niya sa akin magbibigay daw siya ng from Thailand na regalo. At saka binigyan niya ako ng Pure Bass Wireless, of course. And may mga magnet, at kung ano-ano, anis-anis pa ng mga magnet dito sa Thailand. Thank you, Beshi. At saka ka mga noodles and everything. Ang dami, actually. Amazing. And of course, for Dennis sa Senyor Carrasco, thank you for the Victoria's Secret gifts. Talagang fabulous and amazing and, you know, perfect friend, of course. Talagang Victoria's Secret na pabango. Yes, Midnight Bloom. Perfect. Thank you so much. Ay, talagang iba talaga pag marami ka kaibigan. And also, a bouquet from GP. Thank you so much for this gift also. Yes. At saka ano pa. Ito muna. Pen. Thank you so much for the brands. Of course, pabango ng Daniel. Yes, salamat. Thank you, Pen, sa pagpunta. And this one, I think, this one also for JR. Thank you, JR. Talagang pareho kang Daniel ni Pen na binigay niya. Thank you so much. Amazing. And this is it. Actually, this is for Leia. Thank you, Leia, for this gift. Thank you for coming also. Oh my God, Banana Republic, perfect. From the single mom of Alcobar. Thank you. And of course, kay Madam Marley, thank you so much. Talagang nakaano talaga, ha. Amazing. Double ha, in fairness. Perfect. Oh, nice. Yes, Madam Marley, thank you for this one. Talagang laki-laki choma. Perfect. Talagang sinasasabihin niya, happy 40th birthday, June, and loving Marley today, the boss. Oh, the boss, 657, perfect. Amazing. And of course, from Calvin Klein, of course, kay Madam Arnold, thank you so much for this gift. Amazing. Talagang, ano talaga ha, nakaka-fabulous din. Oh, perfect. PK, Calvin Klein. Lahat ng ano ko for perfume ha, fairness. And this one, the last but not the least, of course, Ryan or Abu. The fabulous also in the mom now. So, let's open this gift. Talagang napaka-amazing. Diba? Kaya ito. Perfect. Thank you na. From Happy Birthday Jewel from Abo. Thank you so much. Talagang to the max ha. Talagang gift. Kaya hinuli ko to kasi mahirap tanggalin ako. Thank you. Amazing. Ano to? Perfect. Kaya to, napaka-sealed naman. Ay talagang LV yan. Sang shoes din. Kasi ba sa akin? Ay perfect. Thank you so much. And guys, thank you for coming for my birthday. Really appreciate this all gifts na na-receive ko for my 40th birthday. So happy, and I wish all my birthday is happy life, of course, more blessings to come. Thank you guys for the more blessings that na-receive ko, and enjoy life as always. So that's it. So see you for my next vlog. Bye bye. Thank you for this one.